Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Cruze battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your car is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. You will need a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and possibly a battery puller. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually black and marked with a minus sign. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch the battery. Next, do the same for the positive terminal, which is red and marked with a plus sign. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Many Chevy Cruze models have a hold-down clamp or strap at the base. Locate and remove this securing mechanism. Double-check that all cables are completely clear and won't snag. Batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back, and use a battery strap if you have one to carefully remove it from its tray. To install your new battery, simply reverse the removal steps. Place the new battery securely in its tray and reattach the hold-down clamp. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, ensuring both are tight and free of corrosion. Double-check all connections before starting your car. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.